Okay. Good morning, students. Welcome back in live class. So today I will be taking your chapter number 6. Just we will do the revision of your chapter number 6 up till where we have done. So because students are sending doubts for this chapter number 6, so I'm repeating the whole chapter again. Okay. So before that, I want to take one test. So I'll write the questions and you will send your answers to me. And before that, you will mark your present first. Okay. So I'm writing the questions and one by one you will not send the answer. Collectively you will send the answers to me. Okay. I'm writing the questions here. And these are the basic questions. They can be of MCQ type also, or they can be of fill-ups also. Okay. So your first question is, a line joining two endpoints and we have discussed all these questions in the class only are called first write the question in your notebook and after that you will send the answer. So your options are line segment, the second one a ray, the third one parallel lines, and the fourth one intersecting lines. I told you that you will not send the answers one by one. Collectively, you will send the answer. Okay. First, note down the questions. Second question. An acute angle is, your first option is you can write in between 180 degree and 360 degree. Your second option, in between 0 degree and 90 degree. Third option is exactly 90. Fourth option, exactly 180 degree. Okay. Note down your these two questions and after that I will be writing the next questions. 7 to 8 questions first I will write and then you will send the answers. Okay. Okay, your next question. Your third question. What is common between the three angles of a triangle and linear pair? What is common between the three angles of a triangle and a linear pair? So your options are So your options are all angles are equal, sum in both cases is 180-degree, angles next you can write sum in both cases is 360-degree, and the D part you can write null. Okay, note down your third question. Again, some of the students are missing from the class. I'm not getting present for all the students. So I will be marking your absent now. So this is your question number third. Next question. Fourth, a reflex angle is, this is Phillips. Fill in the blanks. Fifth, two angles whose sum is 180-degree. The two angles whose sum is 180-degree, they are called. So your options are vertically opposite angles, okay. Second one, adjacent angles. Third one, complementary angle. Okay, and your last option is D part, supplementary angles. Okay, write down your fourth and fifth question. I'll ask the answer by taking the names, so all should be present in my class. Just doing present and after that, go on for other work. So next one, this is your, I think, sixth question. Question number 6, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines cut each other at, intersecting lines cut each other at 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, or 0 point, or null. This is your sixth question. Seventh question. An angle whose measure is more than an angle whose measurement is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called dash angle. Okay, I'm drawing the figure. O AB is the straight line. If this angle is given 55 degree, what is the measurement of x? Find x. This is your 6th, 7th and 8th question. Note it down. Okay, I'm writing the next one. Ninth. So what is your ninth question? 3 or more points three or more points are said to be dash if there is a line which contains all these points. So this is your ninth. 10th. Two angles whose sum is 90 degree is called dash. This is your 10th question. Your ninth question is 3 or more points are said to be dash if there is a line which contains all these points. Your 10th question, if two angles whose sum is 90 degree is called dash. Okay? I'm writing next one. I will be covering all your definition part in these questions. Okay? Two angles whose who are having same vertex same common arm and known common arms and known common arms are on opposite side of common arm are called dash. This is your 11th question. Okay, so what is your question? Two angles who are having same vertex and same common arm and known common arms are on opposite sides of common arm are called dash. Okay, okay, your next question. So your 12th question, if this is the figure, A, B, this is point O, okay, so this is given 40 degree and this angle is given 30 degree. This is B and this is C. So you have to find reflex of angle BOC. You have to find reflex of angle BOC. Okay. Next question. So vertically opposite angles are always dash. So vertically opposite angles are always dash. Okay, written? I'm writing your next question. So question number 14. So what is your question number 14? Two straight lines. Two straight lines AB and CD cut each other at point O. If angle BOD is given 63 degree. If angle BOD is given 63 degree, okay, then find angle BOC, and the options are also given 63 degree, 117 degree. Your third option is 17 degree, and your fourth option is 153 degree. Okay. Now send your answers. One by one you will solve and then send your answers. Very good. Your all answers are correct. Yes, yes. Your answers are correct. Those who are sending the answer, all the answers are correct. Very good. Okay, your last answer is 117. 14th question, your last answer is 117. Okay, next. You are having problem in these two examples. So I'm solving example number 2 and example number 3 again. Because some of the students, they send me the problems that is related to example number 2 and example number 3, that is on page number 95 and 96. So open your book at page number 95 and 96. Page number 95. Okay. So first I'm drawing the diagram. I'm taking example number 2, that is on page number 95. Okay. Example number 2, that is on page number 92. So first you will draw the figure, because the figure is already given to you in the question. And tomorrow I will be taking 6.1 exercise again. Okay, all the questions I'll solve again. First draw the figure O, P, O and Q, they are on straight line. This is O, S. This is point R. This point is T. Okay. OS. This line is OS. So this is the figure. Now what is given in the question? So OS stands on POQ. So OS is the line that is standing on point PQ. OR and OT are angle bisectors. So OR or RO is angle bisector of POS. That means these two angles are equal. So you can write angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So angle 1 and angle 2 are equal angles. It is given. And also OT bisects angle SOQ. So SOQ, this is OT, it is bisecting angle SOQ. If this is 3, this is 4. So that means angle 3 and angle 4 are also equal. So if POS, this whole is given X. So what is POS? This is given X. So what is the value of POQ? That means it is 180 minus X, because POQ is making a straight line. So draw up till here and write the values that is given. Okay. So now you will write angle 1 and angle 2 are equal angles, and also angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So here you will write the reason, because you will write OR and OT are angle bisectors. They are angle bisectors of angle POS. You can write POS and angle SOQ. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, because OR and OT are angle bisectors of angle POS and SOQ. Clear? Written up till here? So I'm writing here. It is given that POS is X. So you will write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to POS, and which is equal to X. Okay. So what you need to find? You have to find the value of 2 and 3. 2 plus 3. This you have to find. What you have to find? 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. So we can write angle 1 plus 2, because angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So you can write angle 2 plus angle 2 is equal to X, and twice of angle 2 is equal to X. Clear up till here? For every part, for each part, you have to write the reason why they are equal. Okay. in geometry part you will write what is given, also you will mention in the solution. Okay, if you are writing 1 2 3 4, so you have to mention in your figure also. Okay, so next you can write here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. It is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so you can replace 1 and 1. You can write 2 plus 2 plus, you cannot write 360. This is 180. And why it is 180? Because it is making linear pair. Okay, 2 plus 2 and angle 3 plus angle 3. Again, because 3 and 4 are equal and 1 and 2 are equal. And also we need to find the value of 2 plus 3. So eliminating 1 and 4 from here. Okay, so here you will write twice of angle 2 plus twice of angle 3 is equal to 180. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. So note on in your notebook. I'm explaining again what is given in the question, that OR and OT, they are the angle bisectors, and therefore angle 1 and angle 2 are equal and angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. You have to find the value of ROT. That means you need to find the value of 2 plus angle 3. So for this, and also it is given that POS is equal to X. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is equal to POS and that is equal to X, and replacing angle 1 with angle 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is equal to X, and twice, because this is 2 times, so you can write 2 twice of angle 2 is equal to X. Okay, here also, no, you have to put the values also here. What you need to prove? So 2 plus 2, twice of angle 2, twice of angle 3 is equal to 180. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 90 degree. Or one thing more you can do, if you want twice of angle 2, in place of that you can put X also here. Okay, and you will again get the value of 2 plus 3. But this is the simple way. Only no need to do anything. Only just replacing 1 by 2, 3 by 4 by 3, and you will get your answer in one step only. This is the simple way to solve the example number 2. Okay. So next, moving towards example number 3rd. So I'm drawing the figure for your example number 3. I explained this example in previous lesson also. Example 3. Okay. Q, O, R S and this value P. So to draw the figure first. Draw the figure first. Okay. What you have to prove first, you will write. You have to prove angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR plus angle POS is equal to 360. This you have to prove it, and for that we need construction. So you will draw a straight line construction extending QO to point T, or you can draw a line OT such that TOP lie in straight line. This also you can write. Okay. Please write if I am audible to you, visible or audible to you. Hurry up. Am I audible to you? Okay. And this is all because of the weather. Okay, this is to prove, this is construction. Okay, so after that I'll start the proof. Now TOQ, this becomes a straight line. So angle POQ and angle POT is POQ. You will write angle POQ plus angle POT is equal to 180 because of linear pair. Okay, because of linear pair, POQ and POT is equal to 180 degree. And also you can write TOS plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degree, which is also a linear pair. So suppose this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So you will add both the equations, adding 1 and 2. Add first and second equation. Okay. When you are adding these two equations, you will get POQ plus POT plus SOT plus SOR plus QOR is equal to 180 plus 180, that is equal to 360 degree. Okay. So POQ, as it is you will write. So you will add POT and POS. So it is POS. So you will write POS plus SOR QOR is equal to 360 degree. So this is the answer for your or proof for your example number 3rd. Okay. I think no more problems up till here. I have explained each and everything to you. Exercise we will take 6.1 exercise again we will take tomorrow, and example we have done all the definitions. I'll repeat now only. So lines, and we have done some of the questions related to the examples only, and you have given the correct answer. That means you know all the definition, basic definitions you understood. Okay. So first we will start from the lines and angles having 2 endpoint, a ray having 1 endpoint. So what are collinear points? 3 or more points. If they are on the straight line, they are called collinear points. And so what are non-collinear points? If the points are not on the straight line. And I told you earlier also, with non-collinear points, we are making the figures like triangle, like quadrilateral and pentagon, hexagon. So we are getting the closed figure with the help of the line segment, and if the points are not collinear. Okay. So how to form an angle? If two rays, they starts from the same point, so they are called, so we will form an angle. Okay. So next we will take, so supplementary angles, and first we will take the types of angles. Very important. Acute angle, it lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. So second one, obtuse angle, it is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. The right angle, it is exactly equal to 90 degree. The linear pair, if the straight angle or straight line, that is also equal to 180 degree. Okay. Next we will take the reflex angle, one of the very important angle. So reflex angle, that is in between 180 degree and 360 degree. It is always more than 180 degree and is always less than 360 degree. Now left with the complete angle. So what is complete angle? Whose sum is 360 degree. So these are the types of angles. So after that we have discussed about complementary angles and supplementary angle. So two angles whose sum is equal to 90 degree is called complementary angles, and whose sum is equal to 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. Clear up till here? Now next we have taken the adjacent angles. So what are adjacent angles? So if two angles, they are said to be adjacent angles if they are having the common vertex, if they are having the common arm, and then the two non-common arms, they lie on the different side or opposite side of the common arm. So that is called adjacent angle. Next we have discussed about the linear pair. So what is linear pair? The sum of angles is equal to 180. So what is the difference between the supplementary angles and linear pair? So in that we are saying the sum of two angles is 180, but in linear pair it can be more than two angles also. But they must lie on the straight line and whose sum is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So next, vertical opposite angles. So what are vertical opposite angles? If the opposite angles, if two lines, we are drawing the two lines, they are intersecting at one point, and the opposite angles, they are always equal and they are called vertically opposite angles. And also we have discussed about the theorem. The two, you have to prove that the vertical opposite angles are equal. We have done that theorem also. Okay. So we have discussed all the definitions also, or all the examples also. I have given questions related to the basic definition also. So tomorrow again we will start exercise 6.1. So till then, goodbye.